Good morning, students. Let's start with the next chapter, that is chapter number 6, bar graph. See, bar graph is a new concept in your 6th standard. Before this, you have done with pictogram. That pictogram is nothing but counting the number of things and write it down in number, right? With the help of pictures. Now, in bar graph, we have to draw the given data on graph paper. Graph paper you can see on this next page, that is page number 36. Right? Now see, in this left hand side there is one page or there is one photo of graph paper is given. On this graph paper you can see the horizontal line named with X and the vertical line named with Y. This X and Y line is respectively called as X axis and Y axis. The point at which these two axes are meet is called origin of that axis, right? And that's why it is denoted with the letter O, right? Each box on this graph paper is of 10 small lines, right? That's why you can count this one box as 10 lines, and you can write like this, where below that right hand side one graph is shown to you. 1 unit is equal to 5 vehicles. That means one box you can count as 5 vehicles, right? Now, after this, you have your practice set 18. In this practice set 18, one graph is given to you. From that graph, you have to write down answers of the question asked. After this, drawing bar graph is there, that we will see in the next lecture. So, let's start with practice set 18. This bar graph shows the maximum temperature in degree Celsius in different cities on a certain days in February. You have to observe this graph and answer the questions. See, here on y-axis your unit is written, right? That is 1 unit is equal to 5 degrees Celsius. Your temperature is written, and on x-axis your name of the cities are written. So you have to observe this and answer the question. First question is what data is shown on the vertical and horizontal lines. Now you can see on vertical means x-axis your temperature is there, and on y-axis, that is horizontal, your cities are written. Means you are writing as on y-axis temperature is given, and on x-axis name of the cities are given. Now the next question is, which city had the highest temperature? Now see, the bar of which city is higher than other. If you observe, Panchgani is 25 degrees Celsius, Pune is 30 degrees Celsius, Chandrapur is 35 degrees Celsius, Matheran is 25 degrees Celsius, Nasik is 30 degrees Celsius. So among this, Chandrapur is the city who has highest temperature. Now the next question is, which cities had equal maximum temperature? Now again see the graph whose temperature is same. If you observe properly, Pune has 30 degrees Celsius, also Nasik has 30 degrees Celsius. So the answer is Pune and Nasik had equal maximum temperature. Next, which cities had the maximum temperature of 30 degrees Celsius? So again your answer will be Pune and Nashik. What is the difference between the maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur? Now, before this, you have to find out what is the temperature of Panchgani and what is the temperature of Chandrapur. If you see, Panchgani's temperature is 25 and Chandrapur's temperature is 35. Subtraction of 35 and 25 gives you answer of this question. So difference between maximum temperature of Panchgani and Chandrapur is equal to 35 minus 25, that is 10 degree Celsius. Understand everyone? Now this practice set 18 is your homework, and next part of this is drawing bar graph. We will continue in the next lecture. Till then, if you have any problem, then ask me and put it in my personal. Till then, bye bye and take care of yours.